Good morning, people.
What's going on, guys? Dan Rockwell here, and today you guys are gonna get a little sneak peek into my world. The foods that I eat, when I eat them, the supplements that I take, the macros that I follow, and of course, we're gonna be crushing a workout. So today's back day, so sit back, relax, give the video a thumbs up, and enjoy.
All right, as you can see, I cleaned up for you guys. So welcome to my home. First things first is gonna be breakfast. So guys, I'm at a slight caloric deficit right now. So I'm usually not a big cutter or a big bulker. What that means is there's maintenance calories where you eat enough calories to where you're gonna stay around the same weight. And I either go just a little bit above or a little bit below. So right now I'm trying to cut up just a little bit, shred up. So I'm going a little bit below my maintenance calories. So I'm a little bit hungry when I wake up. So that's why first things first is food for me. Well, actually coffee and food. As you can see, I'm gonna add a little bit of stevia here and some sugar-free creamer. A lot of the creamers, you know, they'll say fat-free, but they'll just load them up with a lot of sugar. So I get the sugar-free, has 1 gram of fat, 2 grams of carbs. So, I mean, if you're tracking macros, who really cares, right? I'm starting my day off with my world famous French toast. I already have a video of it if you guys want to check it out, but it's a well-balanced meal. It has a great protein source from the egg whites, great fat source from whole eggs, and then Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel bread is a great complex carb. I like to have it in the morning because it gives me energy throughout the day, because I'm a little bit carb sensitive right now because I don't get that many carbs. So when I have the Ezekiel bread, it gives me good energy throughout the day. You know what I mean? I wouldn't be having like a simple carb right now, like white rice or like a white potato or anything like that, because I'm not gonna be doing that much. I'm not gonna be working out here until the next few hours. So I don't need a simple carb, I need a complex carb. It's gonna be a good day. Ooh, I got a twin. All right guys, so we got a bit of a crisis on our hands. I don't know how I'm gonna keep track of my macros. You know, is this 2 eggs? Is it 1 egg? You know, is it 1.5 eggs? I guess we'll just have to figure it out. So after breakfast, I normally like to take a shot of L-carnitine. L-carnitine supposedly helps with converting fat into energy, and being that I do low carb a lot, this would be a good supplement for me. And here are some, herbs and supplements that I like to take just for everyday health: garlic, alpha-lipoic acid, cinnamon, and CLA. So before I get this day really going, I am going to shower and shave. I'm looking a little scruffy. Alright, done showering, and here is my current physique. I'm right around 200 pounds, dropped about 5 pounds since Christmas. Alright guys, so after breakfast, after I shower, then I get to work. So typically, on a slow day, maybe 2 hours on my online training, or if a ton of clients are asking questions or I have to make adjustments to their plans, or if I get a ton of new clients that day, then I'm gonna be working 4, 6, 8 hours. So it all just depends, but I'll give you a little tour of the office. There's my board where I write down my goals and stuff. Typical lion wall art. I know, not that original, but little Army Achievement Medal. And this is really cool. My brother made this for me. It's the helicopter that I worked on in the military. It was a UH-72 Lakota. All 6 years I was in, that's what I worked on, so he made that for me. It's kind of fallen apart a little bit, but I've had it for years, and so I gotta take good care of it. My personal training certificate, and that's where I graduated from college. So this is where I'll spend the majority of my day, just working on client programs or just various projects.
time for meal number 2. All right, so second meal of the day, I have 9 ounces of 93.7 turkey with mixed vegetables, and the recipe is also on my YouTube if you guys want to check it out. Taking a little break from work, so I figured I'd give you a little tour of the place. It won't take long because it's not that huge, but here's the bedroom. And realizing right now that I need to put up some more like wall art and stuff like that. But always repping Greg Plitt. Rest in peace, man. Love you, brother. It's the closet, the shoes, and I'm not a hat guy, but I just got some various hats. Will never wear them because my head looks really crazy with a hat on. You guys have seen the office, seen the kitchen, and this is the living room. Go out on the patio. I go out here once in a while. I need to come out here more and just fucking relax and take it easy, but I like it out here. Got a little bit of a view of Camelback Mountain right there. No, okay? I don't care how much money it is, okay? I don't care if it's 2 million, 3 million, just do it. Get it done. All right, guys, off to meal number 3. I got 8 ounces of chicken, a cup and a half of white rice. This is a perfect pre-workout meal. And another big thing is hydration, okay? Make sure you guys are drinking a ton of water before you go to the gym.
It's clean, it's cold. Now that's what I call high quality H2O.
That's definitely the most important element to this. So I'm not only eating this food, I'm also drinking a ton of water throughout the day. Can't forget the salsa. This makes it taste so much better and only adds like a few calories.
They don't even have like the stuff in them. I like making it myself though because I think it tastes a lot better. Like I'll use green tea instead of black tea.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much my day before the gym. I'll either be working on client programs, you know, making adjustments, answering questions, or I'll be out trying to get pictures for social media, making my sponsors happy. But I just wanted to say, you know, as silly as social media is, it is a job for me, so I can't tell you how much I appreciate each and every one of you who've subscribed to the channel, you know, who like my videos, who comment, and especially all you people who've came over from Instagram to YouTube, who've been supporting me since day one. You guys make it all possible for me to work from home, you know what I mean, to, you know, continue my passion in fitness. So can't tell you how much that means to me. But you know, that aside, all right, we're about to train back. But before we do, I'm gonna go over the supplements that I like to take before the gym. So let's get into it. Real quick before the gym, I'll take a little bit of pre-workout if needed. You know, if I'm a little tired and need a little energy, then I'll take a half a scoop of this, but pre-workout definitely is not needed. BCAAs, they're especially good if you're at a caloric deficit. So if you're trying to lose body fat and you're below maintenance calories, this is a great supplement to take because it helps preserve the muscle. It helps you stay anti-catabolic. And Pure Rebuild, this has other amino acids in it besides the branched chain, plus there's a creatine complex in it. So I'll take a little bit of this, so about a half a scoop of this, so it'll be about 2.5, 3 grams of creatine, and then I'll take the BCAAs, and I'll drink these during my workout, and I'll take a little bit of this before my workout. So let's go to the gym. There's my girl. I haven't seen her all day. Gotta give her a little car wash tomorrow. What's up, brother? What's a good nickname?
Josh?
Yeah. Josh the Swole. Alright guys, so kind of feel like I'm dragging ass a little bit today, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Let's get into it. So as you guys could see, started out with lat pull down, then I moved on to deadlift. I was actually gonna try to go heavy with deadlifts today, but just wasn't feeling it, so I went with volume style training. This is still super intense, so 4 sets of 10 here.
switched it up just a little bit here with one-armed rows with a barbell. Normally I'll just grab a dumbbell and do it that way, but it's always good to switch up the exercises and switch up the angles. Really love this machine here. This is the low row. It totally hits your lats in a different way than just doing a normal seated row. So if your gym has this one, definitely try it out. Cable pullover is a staple exercise for me. I like to do it pretty much at the end of every single back workout. Super brutal after all of that, but doing 3 sets to failure of pull-ups, and just wanted to point out, try to keep your form as best as possible. When you start swinging your legs, you know, and swinging your body, then that's the time to stop. So most back days I end it with planks. I try to hold it as long as I can. Planks are great for your lower back, for your whole core. I don't really like to do isolated ab workouts right after back, but definitely planks and side planks are a go-to for me. Tried to do a little bit of posing, but the lighting was awful. But just wanted to say, the mirror is your best tool, you know, your best indicator to see how well, you know, your physique is doing, if you're making progress. People rely a little bit too much on the scale. So alright guys, back from the gym. Now it's time to have my post-workout shake. I'm just gonna have a little bit of the coconut ice cream protein. This is by far my favorite 1UP protein. And mix it with cashew milk. I like mixing it with cashew milk even more than almond milk. I get the unsweetened. Alright, last meal of the day for me. 9 ounces of 93.7 turkey with some mixed vegetables, just like that meal I had before. And some Zevia. I don't know about you guys, but at night, that's when the cravings start kicking in for me. So having something like this is really good. It's 0 calories, and it's not like a regular diet soda. This is all natural. It's sweetened with stevia, no artificial colors or anything like that. So this is always a good option. Alright guys, so that's it for me as far as meals. I'm sure I'll have the macros up on the screen. But I just wanted to show you guys that it doesn't have to be torture. You know what I mean? Just because you're eating good, just because you're on a strict diet, doesn't mean you have to eat all this bland food. I'm having frickin' French toast, you know, every morning. And each one of these meals is already on my YouTube. So if you guys want to go check those out, they're great recipes and all inexpensive meals. And like I was saying, have fun with it. You know, I got a damn donut shop, alright, right down the street from me, 24 hours. So there's a constant battle at night between me going to the donut shop or me staying here and staying good on my diet. So everyone has these, you know, urges, but we all have goals and we all have to stick with it. But anyway, I'm showered, I got my pajamas on, I'm ready for bed. Hope you guys got something out of the video, and I'll see you next time.
I don't even wear pajamas. Normally I sleep naked. Fuck naked. Ah! Morning, Mr. McGloin. Mary Catherine.
I'll be up a bit away, cause they gon' judge me anyway, so whatever. I'll be up a bit away, cause in the end they'll judge